They're best friends.
Ready?
Good job. Feed him, honey. Aw, look at the birdie. There you go, baby. Good job. Good job, Bobby. Somebody. It's like hailing a cab. Hi, pretty birds. Hold them both up in the air. Let's see if they come. Keep them there. Can you hold them out like this? There you go. You got one. There's another one. The bird feeder boy. Whoop, that's okay.
Picture together.
That's okay if they get you. Oh. They'll get you, B. You got to hold your arms out straight out like that. Regular, babe. Woo! Woo! That's okay. Look out, honey. Let them get past, okay? Let me see that bird that you have there. He's sweet. What are you going to name him? Aww. He's on your finger. Move your fingers. There you go. Off the seeds. Good job.